On a Bafang system, it's very important to take off on the very first gear. I have a brake sensor. That means that if I press the brake lever, before I lock the wheel, I can kill the motor. So I have some room to kill the motor, but allow the wheel to continue spinning. In that gap is when I will do all the gear shifting. When we use the throttle of the Bafang system, this is like level 1. Let's put maximum speed. Let's shock the society. Okay, so when you throttle your Bafang system, the chain ring has some inertia. I let the inertia pull the chain and then I shift gears. So I do like this, throttle, release the throttle, shift gears, see? And I'm not throttling, then I throttle again. Release the throttle, use the inertia, and throttle again. If I want to bring the gears back to first, because I'm going to stop the bike, I'm going to use the brake sensor. So I'm just going to press the brake sensor enough to kill the motor. Now I start wrenching the shifter, gear shifter, and pedaling with the motor killed. Wrenching, motor killed, wrenching, motor killed. Now I'm on very first gear, I completely lock the wheel, all right? So now I stop the bike, I'm on the very first gear, and I'm ready to take off again.